Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix subtitle timing in Revid AI. So basically go ahead to your project or go ahead to your video. Make sure that you see the slide right here at the top left, right? Scroll a little bit down to find the captions. And you're going to be able right here to see if you want to change the caption templates. You can just go ahead and select, let's have an example, this color, right? The Hermosa color. And you could go and click the voiceover and reduce the voiceover if you have a problem with the voiceover, or you could just go ahead to the text, right? And then basically you're gonna be able to go to the serene morning, right? And change the text to be more bold, or change the fonts, right? And if you want to basically fix or edit the problem, maybe a wrong word or something like that, you could go to the next part, right? Go to the next part. Let's say, for example, this part, right? We're gonna click on this part, right? I'm gonna pause and then go ahead and click on the text inside the video and then type whatever you want. So that way you're gonna be able to fix that problem. Okay, if it didn't, you could just go ahead into your captions and make sure that you add the captions, and make sure that you don't hide the captions here at the top in order to basically fix it. But you could go ahead and click on the video, right? The video clips or the photos, and then click on the text inside the video, and then you're gonna be able to fix that subtitle. So that's me on the comments of this video. I hope you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.